What's my secret to making these grits bites taste like a restaurant appetizer? Hi everyone, welcome to today's episode of Let's Celebrate TV. I'm your host, Peter Lee. Today, our celebration is all about an appetizer. It's a little unusual, but it's super delicious. We're going to be making my crispy bacon grits bites. What are they? These are little individual parcels of bacon and roasted garlic and cheese all wrapped up in grits, believe it or not. And they're really easy and really delicious. So let's get started. First, we need to prepare the grits. I'm going to put my large saucepan on medium heat. To that, I'm going to add some milk. I have here 16 ounces, 470 mils of whole milk. Right in. We want to use whole milk. Now we're going to bring this to a boil. While this is coming up to the boil, let's talk about the grits. I have here a quarter cup, about 125 grams of quick cooking grits. I'm using the quick kind and not the old-fashioned regular grits. Why am I doing that? These are going to cook faster because they are a finer grind, and it's going to give a better texture to our little parcels. My grits are in. We want to season this with some salt and pepper. I'm going to give this a stir, and we're going to lower the heat, and we're going to let these cook for about 5 minutes until they're nice and thick. My grits are nice and thick. Let's cut the heat. And we're going to add in some more flavors. To our grits, we want to add some garlic. I have here 2 entire heads of roasted garlic. Why roasted? It's sweeter, it's nutty almost, and it just gives a really good depth of flavor without being too astringent. Now, I will leave you a link to our roasted garlic episode in the video description. Right in. Give that a quick stir. Now we want to add some cheese. I have here 4 ounces, 113 grams of shredded sharp cheddar cheese. Right in. I'm just going to stir this up to combine. My grits are ready, and I'm going to be fixing these in a mini muffin tin. Now, all I did was I sprayed this with cooking spray ahead of time to make sure I don't forget. And we just need to put a generous tablespoon of the mixture into each little tin. Just like this. Here are my little grits bites. They're all ready for the oven. And I'm going to bake these at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius for 15 to maybe 20 minutes until they're heated through and set. While these are baking, I'm going to fry up some nice bacon until it's really nice and crisp. So off to the oven. Here we are, all out of the oven. These baked for about 17 minutes today. And I'm just trying to see some golden brown on the edges. They smell wonderful. Now these are called bacony bits. We need to add some bacon. I'm going to take my little knife here. And remember that bacon I said I cooked up? Here we go. I fried it up crisp and I cut it into lardons like that. And there we go. Here we are. They cooled for 5 minutes. I took them out of the pan, put them on this nifty cutting board that I can pick up and serve to my guests. And I just gave them another sprinkle of cheese because why not? Cheese is good. Let's give one a try. I'll take one from back here. A little crispy on the outside. Look at that. Looks good. Let's give it a try. Oh my goodness. I'm having a moment here. They're so good. They're warm, cheesy, garlicky, and then that big bite of bacon. Oh, these are going to be addicting. And I think my guests are going to love them. Have a little cocktail to wash it down. Okay, if you enjoyed this episode, sign up for our newsletter and get new recipes delivered right into your inbox. Don't forget to subscribe and tap like. It really helps us grow. And if you'd like to go even further, consider joining as a channel member. You'll get special perks, behind-the-scenes extras, and you'll be part of the community helping shape what we create together. Now, I told a little fib. I don't have any guests. I made this just for us. I may share them with my family. I may not. We'll see. But in the meantime, while I decide and eat a few more, I want you to sit back, relax, and watch this episode over here. Till next time, everyone. Cheers.